Alright, now I don't have the tank on, as you can see. The tank will come down and hang off the side a little bit, but I just got done putting these on. I like that one. That's pretty cool. I got a few up front. I got them so they'll shine down on the back of the tank. I got them in the back. Got some down there, shining up on the front of the motor. It does all kinds of stuff. I got this freaking remote. Hey, that's pretty cool too. But then watch this shit. It changes through all the colors. That way you can go. Oh, that's a crap. Like, I'm still trying to figure this remote out. It didn't come with instructions on what does what and how many times to hit what to get what. I don't know. But then all the way to whenever the tank's on, I got this last one I'm saving. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down and underneath my bezel. That's gonna shine down on my artwork.